Hi, and welcome to part 3 of our 4-part series on SAP Business One pricing, where we talk about discount groups. In prior sessions, we spoke of price lists and period and volume discounts, and we saw that the period and volume discounts overrides the price list when they are available. Now we're going to talk about discount groups, which will override the period and volume discounts if they're present as well. So let's switch over to SAP Business One and take a look. If we go to the inventory menu under price lists, and we go to the third option down, this is our discount groups, and the screen looks like this with tabs for item groups, properties, manufacturers, and items. Now when you go to add an item, you have the option of specifying for all business partners, for a specific customer group, vendor group, or for a specific business partner. Now the tabs within those work all the same way, so we're going to demonstrate by the use of a specific business partner, and we already have this set up because it's simply just adding the business partner code. And here you can put discounts by their groups or by the associated properties of whatever property they are, or you can do it by the manufacturer, or you can do it by a specific item. And in this case, we've done it by a specific item. Now, if we were to look from a prior lesson on period and volume discounts, this item normally is priced at $600, but for a given time up through February 28th, we are going to get a discount of $550 after the discount. So in the discount groups, we're going to put 20%. Now, if you look at the compare 20% to that $550, 20% off $600 is $120, so that would give us $480. So it should override picking the lowest price as a discount group. So if we create a sales order for this customer, parameter technology that we added there, and we select the item A001, and then we open that up and take a look. It is a 20% discount, $480. And that concludes our session on discount groups.